to park your cars over there. That's kind of cool. Is the water cold or warm? Yeah, it's not that cold. Run away! What? Alright, we got holes. Eli's is kind of filled up a little bit. The sand was not easy to dig in. I need to get me a for real shovel. That makes the job easier. You having fun? No? Ah. Emma, where are you? I can't see you. Are you sinking in your hole? Are you disappearing? Oh, I almost made it. Water almost got here. It's nice and warm. It's probably like 80 something with a lot of humidity. Even though it's probably 15-mile-an-hour wind, it's actually still kind of nice. It's not cold. So that helps, because no fun being windy and cold at the beach. Oh, here comes some water. Is it gonna make it? Ah, it made it! That was pretty good. Well, if the water comes in, it'll fill up your hole. Just making it. Are you making a dam? That's some good dam building. You're a good dam builder. All right, what's your construction technique? Tell camera.
I'm making a dam so it can't reach in, since this is how deep I want it.
You don't want it any deeper? That's a good technique you got.
I'm making it so it can't get through.
I think you're gonna do it. We have to wait for another big wave. Eli, what are you doing?
I'm making a castle.
A castle? Okay, show me. Beautiful! Oh, it's a little mushy. I think your sand's a little wet. Oh man.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, let's look at this dam construction.
Let's see if it works.
All right, we have to patiently wait to see if it's gonna work. There's a fish jumping. See it? Look, that way. You see that jump? Oh man. You're generally pretty good at spotting stuff like that. There's a fish, it was jumping out of the water. If I see it again, I'll show you. Oh, Eli ran away. Why are you getting so close? I can't film you when you're right next to me. That's funny. Whoa. He's looking at his bottoms. dramatic.